We were the first to start multilingual call center, and you will be surprised to know that as of now we have call center with Telugu also. You have to call our call center 1800-222244, and for option of language you have to push 9, then you can communicate with my call center in Telugu language. It is something great. Similarly, we have got several products which are unique in itself. When way back in 1999 and those years when the traders were having difficulties in getting the loans from the bank, we started with unique trade finance. We used to call it liberalized trade finance, LTF, trade finance, and it was very easy for the traders to get a loan without much hassle so far the financials are concerned or the papers are concerned. Just they had to come with that projections, their sale tax return, and the loans was given to us. Other banks too took that same thing, and now the traders are having the facility of getting loans easily. We were the pioneers in that loan also. We have given to this country the concept of village knowledge center. Most of our rural branches are equipped with a village knowledge center. We call it VKCs, which is manned by a qualified agriculture field officer with all gadgets like internet and computers, so that he can train the farmer community in that area. So anything related, farmers can get it from the village knowledge center without any problem. That is part of the branches in rural areas, and as of now we have got some 200 VKCs all over the country. So far our journey in Andhra Pradesh is concerned, we are growing in a very fast mode. That NREGA payment cards, that smart card payment which has come recently, and Andhra Pradesh is doing very well in that. We are the pioneers in 4 districts. We have been given this responsibility to cover this payment through our different service providers, and we are making these payments through our branches, as well as that POS machine, which is a biometric card mechanism. We are using the technology as well as our reach to use this hassle-free payment to the low wage earners. There's national rural guarantee scheme is there, and the social security pensions are also being paid through that. We have proved this in Andhra Pradesh. We have also done this in Varanasi district of Uttar Pradesh. We have done that for the poor hawkers and those type of people living in Delhi, older Delhi areas. Hyderabad has a privilege of having our first branch with lobby banking. It was inaugurated in February 2009 by our Home Minister, Mr. P. Chidambaram Saab, and this branch is situated in Banjara Hill, where we have got self-service lobby, which has ATM, which has a passbook writer, which has a internet kiosk, as well as one telebanking gadget. So that and this is open throughout 24/7. So anyone who wants to get these facilities, he can approach our that branch, and it is for our customer as well as the customers of other bank or other branches. Only the passbook printer works only on the specified type of passbooks, which is given only to the customers of that branch, Banjara Hill branch. We are trying to put other lobby banking branches in the city, so that the time constraint is not there with the customers. They can get that facility any time in the when they go to the lobbies. We have also planned to open some 5 branches in the city in different areas where our presence is slightly less, and we have about 20 branches to be opened all over the state. We are planning to open all these branches within next 2 months, so that our reach will be quite good. As of now, we are there in all the districts of the state, but in places like Rayalaseema, we have presence is slightly less. We are trying to improve it with we are sure it will be done within few months. So far our overall picture is concerned, after that rebranding, the bank was the most visible bank in the country, and the red color and the new very youthful logo has created its impact, and our business has grown manifold. We have a plan to cross our business by to 3 lakh crore. We have a plan to achieve the level goal of 3 lakh crore business by March 2010. We are very confident of achieving that, and we have a vision to be one of the top 3 banks in the country by the year 2012. We all, the 28,000 and odd employees of the bank, are working for that, to achieve that vision, so that we grow, the country grows, and the people who are working with us, who are patronizing us, also grow, so that there is growth for everyone. That's why we have the byline, good people to bank with. We want to show it letter and spirit that really we are the good people to bank with. Come to Union Bank, feel the difference. Thank you.
Great one, sir.